Welcome to the Boring Car Review channel, where all you need is no charisma and a boring voice. Well, this is going to be a little one. A bit of a journey on when I was buying my car. I really wanted to buy a Cascada because I thought, hey, it's a great looking car. But I never really realized just how rare it is. So I went to a website called How Many Are Left. This is now specifically the United Kingdom. And I discovered that in 2024, it looks like there's only about 2,500 left. And of the 2,500 in the whole of United Kingdom, out of about, according to this, there's about 31 million vehicles in the country. There's only about 2,500 of them are Vauxhall Cascadas. Now, out of that, majority of them are white, and I was after a red one, and I wanted it to be specifically a 197 brake horsepower bi-turbo diesel. And according to my findings, the most common one was a 2-liter diesel. So the one even more rarer than that is a 1.6 turbo, and looks like there's next to nothing of them, only about 300 of them. But the interesting thing, according to this website, is that there seems to be only about between 51 and 48 of them in the entire country. So this is now not even taking into account the color. This is just purely the engine. So yeah, this is a real needle in the haystack, a real rare car. So if you see us on the road, I think we deserve a wave.